Problem number 18. Give the domain and the range of the following relation. Now in this case they give you an equation. Remember that your domain are your x values and your range are your y values. So whenever you think about your domain, you need to think, okay, what numbers can I plug in for x? Are there any restrictions for the values that I can plug in for x? So for example, can I plug in a -10 or -100? Yes, that should not be a problem. Can I plug in a 0? Sure. Can I plug in a positive number, like a 10 or a 20 or a 30? Yes. So there are no restrictions on what values to plug in for x. So therefore your domain will be from -infinity to +infinity, or all real numbers. Now, so it should be from -infinity to +infinity. So I know it's not B or D. So it's either A, C, or D. And now my range is what values am I going to get back? Whenever we have an absolute value, we know that the values will be positives. Or we can also get back a 0. So whenever you have an absolute value, the y values that we're going to get from there will be starting at 0, including 0, and anything bigger than 0. So from 0 to +infinity. So therefore, my answer is letter E. And yes, that was a 0 instead of a 2. So remember, absolute value, what numbers, domain are your x values, and your range are what values can we get back